Buckram is a stiff, supporting fabric used to make drapery headers, hats, purses, and totes. Traditionally, buckram is a loosely woven cotton fabric that is covered in resin and starch. To form the buckram into shape, it can be moistened with water and then fastened into place until dried, allowing it to harden and form a base for cloth. For these applications, 46-inch wide buckram is perfect for adding stabilizer in the exact shape needed to form your project. While traditionally it is used for hats and bags, the possibilities are pretty endless as buckram provides a great structural base to work off of. More recently, buckram has become popular for making the perfect headers for window treatments, and so it was adapted to very specifically meet drapery needs. We used buckram in the header for our inverted box pleat curtains and also in our goblet pleat and cartridge pleat curtains. We carry several different types of drapery buckram by the yard. The first is woven buckram. There are 2/8 of this 100% cotton buckram. The first has a 52 by 44 thread count. We also carry a heavyweight woven buckram that is 76 by 76 count, which is for applications that require a really stiff stabilizer. Both of these are machine washable and dry cleanable. The second type is a non-woven drapery buckram. This material is made from a polyester cellulose blend that feels and looks a lot like a high-quality paper. It is not easy to tear, but it is considered a medium-weight material. Non-woven buckram is perfect when you need just a little stabilization in your drapery headers. For sheer window treatments that need a header, we carry transparent buckram. This invisible stabilizer is made from 100% monofilament and is washable and dry cleanable. With many different varieties and widths to shop from, the perfect buckram for your project is available from Online Fabric Store.